I'm working on it. I just don't know if Itchy's gonna freak out on me.
Blanket above the dryer.
Oh, little puppy. Good girl, Itchy. Please don't bite me. Next one.
I don't have an extra hand. Can you open it?
Oh.
Bring me the puppy that you put with Sam.
Oh. I got another one.
It's okay. We got a cradle for them now.
Okay. Oh. How many more you got, baby? Another one. Oh.
Holy crap. How many more are there?
I don't know. I think that's the last one. Come on, Itchy. Come on, Itchy. Let's go. Nope, that's all of them. She's going out. Oh. Oh, fuck.
Can I do anything?
Give me a second. I've been looking for this cooler. Hey. Anybody there? Hello. Oh, hell. Big spiders. Oh, big spiders. Ah. Oh, hell. Oh. Why did I do this after dinner? Oh. Oh. Oh, that's tight. Oh. Fucking A. Oh. Oh. Itchy. Why? Puppy's down here. Oh. Oh. Oh, the box is full of spiders. Okay, I'm almost back to the hole. Get back! There's all this bamboo growing down here.
That's not a good thing.
Oh.
Oh my god, it's all underneath the house, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, do that.
How's it growing that light?
Too many cars, eggs! Help! God help me! Pookie, help! Help me, Pookie.